Greetings, greetings, greetings. You're now tuned into the vault. Trust Christian own nothing, control everything. Just want to thank you for tuning in live, listening to replay. Always appreciate everybody that tunes in live, listens in the replay. This is the vault, episode 779. Excited about this particular episode. Trust mission statement. This is definitely one of those episodes. This is for the trustees. Shout out to the trustees throughout all the years. Appreciate everybody for reaching out through all the years. And so we're gonna hop into it. Trust mission statement. This is one of those subjects that come up redundantly in a meeting. Why? Because most people don't have a mission statement. Oh, trust Christian, I never was brought up that way. That's all it is. We share with the audience this information, trustee information. You trained into this information. Because you're trained into the information, you understand that everything has a mission. There's not one thing that doesn't have a mission. Relationships have a mission. What people would like to call a purpose. What some people will call a reason for being. But most people don't know the numbers. They don't know what they're looking at, reading wise. They don't know the quantitative and the qualitative. But you can see now, you're looking at someone quantitative, and then you want to see what someone has qualitative. And what you end up getting into is you end up seeing that the mission statement for any greater organization is very brief. It's to the point. One of the things we wanted to share in this particular episode is a lot of trustees will say, oh, Trust Christian, I need to come up with a mission statement. Help me come up with a mission statement. Trust Christian, I need a mission statement. Okay. We share it with them. It's one line. Okay. Trust Christian, I'm trying to pack my life story into one line now. Nope. But what is the last name mission statement? Give the last name some meaning. The last name is what's going to get carried out. The first name, you're going to go. The last name is what's going to stick around. You build energy into the last name. You build power into the last name. When you say build it in, it already has it there. You're unlocking the power in the last name. You're unlocking the power in yourself. Okay, great. So, because your last name is what you get passed down. So, we're talking about training. What we've been trained in, the mentors. We're not talking about, oh, Trust Christian, how do you pass down your power? How do you pass down the heredity? People do it through their last name, correct? Right. It's a gift. We understand that. And in the family estate name, in the estate form, is a gift. We understand that. Okay. So, Trust Christian, give us, we want to know the insider information. Whisper to us behind closed doors. What's behind closed doors? What's really going on? What's really going on is the family has a mission statement, and you read that every day. It may be on your wall, maybe something you have in your family book that you read every day to remember your ancestors and people you loved. Maybe people that passed, maybe people that haven't. It doesn't matter. Either way, you got the family mission statement. Family mission statement is something you're going to read every day. Oh, Trust Christian, are you for real? Okay, here's the next thing you don't want to hear you got to read. You got to read your mission statement. Trust Christian, when we sit in the family meetings, it's going to come down to, okay, you have the family mission statement, but every individual has a mission. Every individual has a mission statement. It's the unfortunate part. If somebody says, I don't want to do it, then we know most people that even in the form of, I want to go from a beneficiary to a trustee, they have to go through a period of taking the responsibility to say, I'm going to be a trustee. And being a trustee, because a trustee's role is not the same as somebody that's a beneficiary. You got a mission statement when you become a trustee. You got the trust mission statement, and then you have your mission statement. Now, a lot of y'all are first generation trustees. We'll go ahead and say that a lot of trustees are first generation trustees, so that's fair. They're first generation trustees. Okay, you're a first generation trustee, so it's no excuse. Oh, Trust Christian, I'm a first generation trustee. Okay, Is it? That's not a bad thing or a good thing. Either way, it's something. You're a first generation trustee. Traditionally, they do the most work. They do the most out of everybody else, as far as what almost accomplishments and anything else. I mean, sometimes you have to let the name maturate. You gotta have somebody that gets great at something and becomes great at something in life, and does something great for what the family mission statement is. Okay, great. Because everybody in the family is going to have a different mission. So, yes, why would you read your mission statement and not read the family mission statement? You read the family mission statement every day, you read your mission statement every day. And you just do your best to live up to your mission statement. Then you don't feel bad about nothing no more. Your worth isn't tied to what you do. The family's already wealthy. You already got that in the mission statement. It's to stay wealthy. Okay, well, be wealthy and do what the wealthy version of you does. Okay, great. We talk to trustees about this type of stuff. Oh, trustee, what would you do if you were the wealthy trustee? You gotta be the wealthy trustee. What, you gonna be the broke trustee? Stop acting like the broke trustee. Stop talking like the broke trustee. Right, talk like the wealthy trustee. So what does the wealthy trustee do? How does the wealthy trustee act of you, of the family? What is the wealthy uh what is the wealthy mission statement for yourself? What is the wealthy family trust mission statement? That's what it comes down to. What's the wealthy version of it? And you just read that every single day, and you do your best to live up to it every single day. We've had multiple versions of the mission statement. We've had to re-up the mission statement. It's just what it is. If you're a first generation, you have a lot more leeway to do that. You want to put things in place that the second and third and fourth or however many more cannot change the mission statement. The mission statement is to preserve something most likely, to protect something most likely, to grow something indirectly for someone else, right? But it's the mission statement. Everybody want to talk about, oh, I want to be in trusteeship. Then when you get in trusteeship, you don't even have a mission statement. You don't even come up with a mission statement within the first 24 hours. What are you talking about? How you in trusteeship and don't have a mission statement? Y'all think this is a game or something? You think this is funny? Oh yeah, trust Christian. I'm in trusteeship, and you don't even have a mission statement. If people think this is funny, it's like whether y'all notice or not, it actually translates into the public side. Why? Because on the public side, public companies have mission statements, correct? In the private, that's where they got it from. They got it from the private. In the private and trusteeship, you have mission statements. Just like y'all have minutes, right? You got minutes, you got mission statements. Oh, trust Christian, that's really what it is? 100%. And the longer you deviate from that one thing, you almost could say failure is inevitable. What's failure? Learn the same lesson over and over. What's the lesson? The lesson is you gotta have a mission statement. The mission statement keeps you on course. The mission statement keeps your eyes focused on what the family estate is supposed to be doing every single day. Not focused on the news. Not focused on the economy. That's just the facts. Oh, trust Christian, that's really what it is? 100%. How you focused on the everything else other than the family mission statement? Or is it your mission today? Or is it, oh, you winging it today? You gonna lead a family mission statement today? We like doing these early episodes for the world because this shows the world that you could fit in a quick 20-minute, 30-minute activity that, once again, whether that's you reading over your mission statement for 2 to 3 to 5 minutes, visualizing the family mission statement, visualizing the wealthy version of the family mission statement. Oh, Trust Christian, that's what you be doing? How are you going to achieve these things when you're the first generation? There's no one else to look and do that for you. Oh, Trust Christian, I get up in the morning sometime, but I'll be skipping my morning visualization. Yeah, that shows you how much you want it. Are you visualizing anything, or are you just getting up and running to the world? Are you getting up and running to the family mission statement? Are you getting up and running to your mission statement? Trust Christian, as you say, I got to put it in one sentence. One sentence. It doesn't need to be 2 sentences or 3 sentences. It's one sentence. Oh, Church Christian, y'all already know. This is 1% information. Everybody's not trying to live with a mission statement, ladies and gentlemen. That's just the reality of life. If they wanted to live with a mission statement, then we would all be actually operating our proper person as a trustee. And you wouldn't have your estate over to the state. The state, dang near a mind control state, the government. People talk about, oh man, sure, we could love the states. The states is a good place to a degree. Everything's relative. Everything in the world is a state. So what difference does it make if it's the United States or a country? It's a state. You got to go in, you do the same type of passport treatment and visa treatment and everything else. It's a state. Can you travel internationally? The mission statement. If you're to build assets, oh, trust Christian, my skill set, I'm only confined to the local area that I'm in. I'm not able to think globally and do international business. Exactly. That's not the family mission statement for you. But if some of y'all family mission statement, I'm gonna be a lot of money guy and all this other stuff. Oh yeah, y'all know what y'all be saying. Lots of money. We ain't gonna throw out no numbers right now. Oh, I got this number in my head. I got this number in my heart. What makes you think you're only gonna do it in the States? What makes you think you have to do it all in the States? The family mission statement is what guides you. The family mission statement is what's going to see you through. And it's up to you to have the family mission statement and read it every single day. Some trustees may say, oh, Trust Christian, you say you read that as the first thing you read it on morning. For the most part. Yep. Yep. Even when you travel, that's the easiest thing to do is to read the family mission statement. To do a family journal entry or a trustee journal entry in the AM, you when you're traveling, sometimes you still figure it out whether that's on pad or on a computer. But as far as that goes, and then as well, sometime throughout the day or at the end of the night, you may read the family mission statement again. So we're going to address another thing in this particular episode, just because this is how we correlate it in the sector that we're in with the people that we engage with. In our sector, people will greet you with your last name. This is like the wildest thing ever. And some people say, oh, Trust Christian, everybody's got to call you by your last name. Not at all. In all actuality, in our sector, a lot of families call each other by their last name. So you hear a lot of people answer. Oh yeah, I'm an X, Y, and Z. Oh yeah, X, Y, and Z. You're like, oh, who are they talking to? The right person knows the tone. Now, we know a lot of people never understand what we're talking about right now. Oh, Trust Christian. You people greet each other by their last name in wealthier circles. 100%. By the last name. It's not, oh, let me just call people by their first name. Sure. So some people may say, oh, what's the significance of that? Trust Christian, what's the significance of that? The significance is that when you have energy that you're looking to build, they're building it up in the name, the last name. The more we talk eloquently about the last name, the more that we promote the last name, the more that we speak love onto the last name, the more that we speak power onto the last name, the more that we speak life into the last name, the more the last name is going to grow. What are you thinking about the last name? We got some people that want to talk about the last names wildly. Go ahead. No one's against what you want to do. We're talking about the ones that are just like, look, I'm going to start from where I'm at and build. And if they want to build it, because they understand that, so the ones that really understand, they understand that a name is an entity. You don't need to think about what's a name. A name is an entity. Your body's an entity. Corporations are entities. These are entities. Some of them are dead, some of them are alive. Let the government tell you. Think about it. You can get insurance on your body. Why? If it wasn't supposed to have if it's not a solid thing, it wouldn't be able to get insurance. That's how you know it's a dead entity. You think how's a dead entity going to put insurance? How's a dead entity going to put insurance on another entity? Right. That's what it can do. How can a dead entity put insurance on a live entity? It doesn't have the power to. The live entities give dead entities power. Correct. So the insurance company, which is a dead entity, has insurance on what? The body. A dead entity. It takes measurements of it. It takes the specs of it, like real property, because it's property. Appreciate everybody for tuning in live, listen to replay. Always appreciate everybody for tuning in live, listen to replay. Christian at trustchristian.com. Once again, that's Christian at trustchristian.com. Always appreciate everybody. Definitely excited about doing this particular episode because the mission statement is to protect the body. The mission statement is to grow the body. The mission statement. Trust. Mission statement. Some people gonna ask those questions. Oh, Trust Christian, I need to know. You read it all the time. Did you refine it multiple times? Sometimes you might have to refine it multiple times, especially the personal one. The family estate might be locked in. Man, we know what we gotta do. We just gotta grow. Okay, great. We gotta be discerning. Okay, great. We gotta be wise in our approach. Okay, great. We have to have prudent investment mentality. Okay, great. Since we got that mentality, let's focus on executing now, implementing now. And we're going to do an episode about that implementation. Because the mission statement is important, but the implementation of the mission statement can look different, and it's going to look different in every situation. But to bypass this one thing, we already know you're not a great yet. You're only the greats have a mission statement. Whether that's from the beginning or they found out in the middle they needed a mission statement. But even if you don't have a personal mission statement, the last name, the family estate is supposed to have a mission statement. So when the last name in the family estate has a mission statement, then we already know, okay, from that point forward, we can go ahead and just operate off the mission statement. Not be out here winging it, not trying to figure it out. You don't need to figure much out. If you just go out and do what you're supposed to do for the family estate, the ancestors in the family name is going to look down on you. Family name is going in a good way. The family's going to lead that ultimate blessing on you. But how are you going to get that when you're not honoring or receiving the blessings from the lineage? You got your intelligence from your ancestors. You got your looks from your ancestors. Oh, Trust Christian, ain't nobody on the internet talking like that. We know that because they don't want to talk like that. How are you not connected to your ancestors? We're all connected to our ancestors, but you would like to think all of us are, and many aren't connected to their ancestors. If you're connected to your ancestors, they're going to be able to share with you your mission statement. That's just bottom line. Your ancestors are going to come in various different forms to give you the information that you need to succeed and achieve the goals and dreams for them to be and receive and shine through you. Are you honoring the ancestors? Man, I ain't gonna honor the ancestors. Well, good. The ancestors ain't gonna honor you. But that's actually not true. The ancestors already gave you the blessing, and they gave you the unlimited blessing, which is the last name, which is some level of DNA through you. So the ancestors already blessed you. The DNA's in you. The question is, though, are you going to follow the mission statement? Are you going to come up with a mission statement? We'll do an episode about implementation for sure, because that's definitely something you want to see. But sure, and just having it written down, or making sure that you're at least saying it in the AM, saying it midday, maybe even again at night before you go to bed. See a lot of positive results happen in your life. We know a lot of trustees that when they do it, they get a lot of great results. But we know ones that don't do it, and they not getting the results they want. And that's just bottom line. Oh, is it like that, Trust Christian? You don't want to hear that. Why? Because when Trust Christian, when we're disciplined with that, when we're focused with that, when we're doing that what we're talking to you all about, 100%, it's a knock out of the park. All you got to do is just focus on having what some people call a focus or an objective, and an objective is just a mission. Sure, some things are different for sure, an objective, but overall, gotta have a mission. So we appreciate everybody for tuning in live, listening, replay. Always appreciate everybody that tunes in live, listening, replay. Feel free to reach out, Christian at trustchristian.com. Once again, that's Christian at trustchristian.com. Peace and